Hey everybody, Don again. Special day for me because I'm up in my hometown of Messina and I'm with my nephew Luke's son Samuel, and it's been 3 years since he fished with me up in New Hampshire. So visiting from Montana, and we were gonna go to the big river, the St. Lawrence, but it's just too shallow. The drought has just really knocked the water level way down. So we're on the Grasse River. This is an excellent river for smallmouth, largemouth, and northern pike. So hopefully we'll get into some fish.
Yeah.
Samuel is a deer killing machine. Age of 15, he's already killed more deer than I have, but he lives in Montana. We're gonna have some fun. We lucked out on the weather. It was calling for an 80% chance of rain. And I don't think we're gonna get any rain.
Yeah, no.
And we don't care if we do. We got rain gear on. So we'll catch up with you on a little bit when we got some fish on the line. Very little current in this river. So we're just gonna paddle up. See what we get. This is one of my hometown rivers. I spent a lot of time under that bridge right there, back behind me. When I was a little kid, my mom used to drop me off at that bridge, and I would catch sunfish and little bass all day long. Samuel and his brothers are staying with their grandmother, my sister-in-law, who lives right on the Racket River. Unfortunately, I can't get this big kayak in the Racket River. They've been having some good luck catching some pike and some smallmouth. That is definitely, in town anyhow, the better of the two rivers. But man, this river, me and Luke have caught hundreds of smallmouth on this river back in the day. Yeah, I got one. Ah. I've got him set up with a couple different things. I got a chatterbait on one pole, and then I got that one of those Kitech swim baits on the other one. And because the water's so shallow, we're going weightless. It's just for giggles. I'm gonna throw the Helgramite a little bit in here. Boy, this looks like pike water here. Should be throwing the topwater frog. Let me give that a go. So when I was a kid on this river, we had a swimming hole we called Bare Ass Beach. Probably for obvious reasons. But we never went swimming there without a big container of salt. because there were a ton of leeches in this river. So I just got thinking about that. I'll throw on the old Nico leech. See if that gets any action. I got it rigged up the same way I had the Hellgrammite rigged up. Maybe that'll be the ticket. Any action at all?
What?
Any action?
Just got a hit. But there's some otters.
Oh, no way. Oh yeah, I seen them over on that bank. Samuel just saw an otter. That's cool. Was the otter on the shore or in the water when you saw him?
In the water.
Yeah, I saw him go up on the bank. I've been trying a little bit of everything. I tried the frog for a while. I'm trying a leech. I put on a swim bait, a different color than the one you're using. Nothing. I had one little fish attack the swim bait, and then he hit it again, second time. He was probably a 10-inch bass. But the swim bait I'm using is kind of more of a natural minnow color. If you want to switch up to anything, you let me know. There you go. You will probably be the first one to catch a fish now. Go down to that tree. I love fishing around trees. All right, go get them. There we go. Well, I got the first fish of the day. About a 3-inch rock bass. A little rocky right on this.
Hey, we're not skunked.
Sweet. Look at him. Doesn't count for nothing, but except kept me from being skunked. I think I had another one on a minute ago. This battery just went dead, so. Put a fresh battery in. Oh, oh, oh. Oh! Oh, he's a jumper. First, ouch, first smallmouth of the day. The first smallmouth of the day. So this is bass number 158 of the season. Boy, he was a little jumper. Caught him on the TRD, set up the way I had the Hellgrammite, the big bait posse way. Hello, little fella. Thank you for playing. All right, maybe the bite is turning on. I knew there had to be a fish near that tree. Come on over here, I'll let you use this rod. It's my favorite rod. Maybe it'll bring you some luck. This color I've done really good with. It's kind of a weird color. And I've got it on a little bullet weight up above it. So it's kind of Texas rigged with a weight.
You want one of these rods?
No. They're not going to be in your way, are they?
So how do you fish this?
I tell you what, I just kind of you fish it like you would fish that curly-tailed grub. You know, just throw it out because it's going to go right to the bottom, and then just, oh look, there's another one. Oh, missed it.
Oh my gosh.
We might have found the color.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a nice one. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. I gotta get the net for this one. Oh, oh, come back here. Come back here, he's peeling dry. Oh, he's under my boat. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Woo. Wow. Right in the top of the snout. Like halfway between the tree and those weeds. There we go. Pretty bass, huh? Pretty smallmouth. Probably 14 inches. Let's put them on the board just to see how close I am. Oh, what a pretty fish. Oh, he's 15. 15-inch Grasse River smallmouth, upstate New York. Beautiful. Thank you for playing. Wow, what a fight. What a jumper. Well, I think we know the color they like now. So, my buddy Mike, he's a YouTuber. He lives in Tennessee, and he fishes river fishing almost exclusively, and usually faster rivers than this, but for smallmouth. And his channel is called Big Bait Posse. And he told me how to rig this Hellgrammite up, and I call it the Big Bait Posse way. It's using a sliding bullet weight on a regular gap hook, you know, not a wide gap hook, and you hook that Hellgrammite, and it's fairly weedless and snagless if you get into the brush. But the thing about it is that weight, the fish don't feel that weight. You know, sometimes they pick that up, they feel the weight, and they might drop it. Even though your dad and I have been super successful with the jig and but for some reason, this thing here, they pick it up and they take it every time, and almost every fish I get is right in the top of the mouth. So I'll let you use this one. I want you to fish between, there's got to be more bass in there. That's an awesome looking spot. And then I'll rig that rod up the same way. And maybe I'll try this color. Something about this color, it just works.
It's the same color as the bottom.
I know, right? You know, I've been trying things. You're right. It's very similar to the bottom. So you see, when that goes down, that weight, this thing might float up a little bit, and the weight stays down, and it really lets the fish get a hold of it. I was rigging him up the same way I was rigged up, and he pulled another bass out of that hole. I'm coming to you. right. Awesome. That's awesome. Well, Samuel caught his first bass. Was a nice one on the TRD. Right off that tree, we pulled 3 smallmouth. A little one, and then that 15-inch one that I caught, and then I think Samuel's was probably pretty close to 12. He's going back in there, see if he can find another one. And then we're gonna paddle down, and see if we can find another tree. But the orange TRD is the color du jour. We got another nice one. Woo! Bass number 3, which makes me 160. I didn't count that last one. Nice little river smallmouth. Down he goes. 160 for the season. Man, starting to pick up. Alright, well, Samuel's moved upriver a little bit. I'm going to try this beaver brush pile one more time. We're gonna go find some more trees upriver. And then the rains came that we had avoided all morning. That's all right, it's not gonna rain for long, I don't think. Got rain gear. I kinda got rain gear. Sometimes the fishing's better in the rain. Got one. Oh, lost him. Oh no, there he is again. Oh, got him that time. Nice smallie. Oh, come on. All right, bass number 4. Now, this is the way they're supposed to take it. Right? Stop, 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 stop. Right in the snout. So bass number 4 is 161. Another nice little smallmouth, probably 10 inches, maybe 12. He hit it, and he had it for quite a while, and then I lost him, but he came right back, and I actually saw him. Oh, I got one. Whew. All right, number 5. I'm sorry, man, I couldn't hear you.
There's carp.
Pike? Oh, carp? There might be. There might be. All right. Man, this one nailed it. Oh, come on, stop.
Is there?
There might be. I think he's asked me if there's carp in here. Number 5. 162. Man, the bite is on, and they are loving this orange TRD. What a great day. Just being out here with my nephew's son. Last night we were planning, we're going elk hunting in 2023. That's the year. He's already killed, I think, a couple of elk. cow elk. He killed a monster mule deer. I'll drop a picture in here of the mule deer he shot last year. But just being together is pretty awesome. Oh, got another one. He thinks he's big, but he's not. Number 6. Hello. Oh. What do you got to say for yourself? Let me out. Let me go. Let me go. Number 6. 163. That little guy thought he was a freight train. Well, I turned off my camera because I got hooked in that brush, and then made a cast to the log. Number 7. A little bit better. Man, these guys are such hard fighters. Yeah.
Oh, nice one.
Number 7. Beautiful. Number 7 is 164. Man, this color is killing it today. Oh man, I saw him jump. Samuel, come over to this side for a few minutes. There's a couple of big logs in the water, and I guarantee you there's going to be a fish there.
All the green work.
Just right in here. Just kind of toss it in. Like aim for that tree, and then bring it back to you.
Oh, it's a fish.
It is a fish.
Yeah.
Nice one.
I thought it was a tree. Oh, there's a huge bass. There's a huge bass.
I told
That way.
you there was going to be a nice fish by that tree. That's a nice one. Yeah, in the net. Oh, out of the net. Yeah.
But there was a bass like that.
Wow. Let's get over there and check this one out. Right off of that tree, I told you, I saw those 2 trees right here. Get it in the top of the mouth, did he?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's a beauty. Put that on the board. I bet that's 15 inches. Look how dark he is.
14.
14?
Yeah.
Nice. Hold him up for the camera. What a beauty. Nice fish. I'm trying to put the battery in the camera, and Samuel hooks another one. Looks like it's even a nicer fish. So I'm free-handed. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, in the net. Nice. All right, I got to get over there. On the hot snakes.
These are big here. 13 and a half.
Nice. Hold them up. Let me see them. Beauty. All right. We're starting to have a good day now.
Yeah.
What's that for you? 6?
Yeah, 6.
I'm still one up on you. Whenever me and your dad used to come out, it always turned into a competition. He usually won. But you know why he usually won? Because he was in the front of the canoe and I was paddling from the back. and I was doing all the work and he was catching all the fish. At least that's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Yeah.
All right, Sam, we got another one. I'm banging bottom. We went from 9 feet all the way around there to right here. It's less than a foot. And look at this drop off right here. I came across here a few times. I thought I'd hook into one, but no such luck. The current's really picked up here too. Thought I had one. Oh, I do have one. Oh, man. Ha. Number 8. Boat flip. I think that was number 8 for you, too. Number 8. Right off that ledge. It's almost 11 o'clock. We got on the water about 6. So we've been on the water for 5 hours. Had a good morning. I think I've caught 8. Samuel's caught 8. I think he said he lost 4 on the jump. I lost, I think, 3. We're turned around. We're going to head back down. We're going downstream, but the wind is blowing up the river. But we're just going to take our time, get back to the truck, and then we're going to go out and get some lunch. Well, I gotta tell you, that was a lot of fun. For the most part, the rain held off. Didn't slow us down anyhow. And got to spend some good quality time with my nephew's son, Samuel. Had a little competition going there. We each caught 8 smallmouth. Some nice ones too. And I think we lost a few as well, but man, we lucked out on the weather. Because it was supposed to rain hard all day, and it rained on us a little bit, but not enough to slow us down. So he's hungry. I'm tired. I slept in a hammock last night and did not get a great night's sleep. But we've come a long way to be together. We're going to go get some lunch and see what the afternoon brings. If we do get back out, I don't know if I'll be able to film because I think this is my last battery. And so you might just be fishing. No videoing. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Thanks for coming along, everybody. We'll see you next time. Peace. There he is. Ready for lunch?
I saw the biggest bass I've ever seen.
No way.
Yeah. It was literally like that.
Like that? That's bigger than the sturgeon you saw.
Like that.
Wow.
But it was so fat.
Really?
It was at least 10 pounds.
No way.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I believe you. Where was that? By those pads?
Yeah, just over there.
There's some big fish in here. And we know that for a fact.
Yeah.